Hi, welcome back. This video will go through lab information, particularly the PhysioX, or specifically the PhysioX. Again, we're back onto the uh, course Blackboard shell. So we click lab information. And first of all, again, we see the student access guide. So that will show you how to purchase the text. I know some of you are still waiting for it. A few of you that ordered it from the bookstore have stated that you've been told that it's on its way. So they're going to start rolling in. So anyhow, this PDF access guide will show you a couple of helpful tidbits for accessing PhysioX. So again, it has the purchase aspect and a link to the Pearson store. So if you still don't have it and you're still waiting on the bookstore and they still haven't informed you of a delivery date or an estimation, if you have $47.99, you can cancel the order with GTC. You can click the Pearson store, and then I have circled which one that you want to purchase. Okay. So anyhow, that's it. And then once it's been purchased, follow the instructions. And I have a video for that. And then I have a picture of what the home page is going to look like. So, and from there, you can click on any activity. So it's just a very short, very brief student guide. A more detailed introduction and how-to video is also there. Again, showing you once you have possession of the bundle, the scratch off card that is included. Okay. Open that, and there'll be a code there and the website to go to which is physiox.com, incidentally. So anyhow, go set that up. It talks about it in this video. And then I also go through an exercise activity. So one that you're going to do in this particular module during cellular metabolism on cell transport. So anyway, exercise 1, activity 1, how to is in here. So you'll want to watch that. And if you still have questions on how to run the PhysioX and what to do, again, please email me. So after you've watched that video, you'll go through and figure out then which experiments am I going to do. So for this particular module, we're focused on chapter 1 or exercise 1, chapter 3 / exercise 3, and chapter 4, exercise 4. I put exercise 3 first simply because that has to do with the nervous system. Exercise 4, the endocrine system, and exercise 1, dealing with cell metabolism and transport mechanisms. So anyhow, you can do them in any order you'd like. The PhysioX activities, the workbook is, you're going to want to use that while you go through and do the activities, which I mentioned in the video. So make sure that you have both the workbook out and the online experiment, and you're doing them concurrently. You do not need to print at the end of the experiment. It'll ask if you want to print it. You can if you want. You don't have to. If you click the print icon, which again it shows in the PhysioX video, it will give you an option to save it as a PDF. When it asks you the destination of, in other words, it'll ask you, if you click print, it'll pull up a window that asks you, where do you want to print to? So in fact, if I do it on my computer, it'll show the same thing. If I want to print this screen, a print window will come up, and under destination you'll have the option to save as a PDF. So if you do want to save it as a PDF file, you can do that. And again, you'll have your other print options. But again, I don't require you to put that into the Dropbox or to submit that. What I do require, so let's click on exercise 3. And again, we have the due date. It looks just like the case study Dropbox. And then within there, I have 3 items you can click on. The first one is the PhysioX Login. So that will take you to the logins area. So once you've registered and your information saved, just click sign in and it'll take you to the experiment. Now the directions and which activities to do are going to be located within the Dropbox and the assignment information. So for the nervous system, you're going to want to do activities 1, 3, 6, 7, and 8. So and they take anywhere from 15 minutes to a half an hour each. So anyhow, what are you going to submit then into the Dropbox? And that information is here on the second. So the first one will take you to the login and to run the experiment. The second one is the Word document that you're going to fill out and submit. So when I click that, it will download the Word document, and then it'll enable me then to open up PhysioX exercise 3. So again, you can split screen if you want. While you're running the experiments, if you have if you download the PDF for your results, however you want to do it, you do know how to split screen. Again, you just grab it, drag it, let go of it along the side, and then it'll ask you which one you want in the other half. So anyhow, that's what that will look like. Now, again, with PhysioX, I've got the activities 1, 3, 6, 7, and 8. These are the review questions that are in your lab manual. So some of these questions you can answer even before you do the lab. Some of them are definition questions. Others you will have to have run the experiment to answer the questions. So again, clear, concise, complete sentences when necessary. Some of them have a couple of questions within them, so make sure you read them carefully and answer everything you can. If you have questions on anything, again, please let me know. And then once you're ready, just click Browse My Computer, find the assignment, okay, drag it and drop it, or highlight it and click Open, and then click Submit. Okay. So that's it for the PhysioXs. And again, I know some of you are still waiting on your book. I'm very lenient on due dates, so make sure you have plenty to do without the PhysioX. You have the Padlets, you have case studies, even the exams. You'd be able to take the exams even if you hadn't done the PhysioX. Although again, they help reinforce a lot of the information. They're very, very informative and link with what we're doing regarding the lecture portion. So anyway, so that's PhysioX.